I just want to do a report now with date as being the filter essentially. So I'll get date off this. So this will be a table visual. Then we put total sales. Next one. Then it's the new quick measure we just set up. So sales, you can see it there, sales to new customers. So has it now? So just widen the visual here. So you can see starting off, they're all new customers back in 2010. But if you go further down, there'll be returning customers, meaning that they won't all be new customers. So what we'll do is we'll look at a particular date. I've selected the 13th of August 2013. So we'll get the date into the filters section. In actual fact, it's actually there already. So we'll do the drop down here and we'll do advanced filtering. And we'll just put in the date here. So it was the 13th 08 2013. And apply that filter then. So on that particular date, 13th of August 2013, total sales of 52,286. Out of that, we get sales to new customers of 17,784 euro 61 cent. So in the next video, we're going to go over to DAX Studio and see can we get that figure, that same figure, using that measure as modified.